Hey guys, it's me. I know that this is just my second video, but, well, I figured why not? I wish people would stop calling me. But today I'm just going to be showing you all my cars and what I think about them. Alright, let's go start with this one right here. Now, this one I won from the casino, but I really do like this more than some of my cars. But I just keep my other cars because the looks. Now, I know I'm low leveled, but I'm going... What's the turn? Yes, this turn. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Just remembering the turn. Where I turn. Anyways. If you haven't watched my first video, I really do recommend it. It's about 8 seconds long. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna be trying to post daily content. Yes, one thing I don't like about this car is like it drifts real easy. I'm not a big fan of that because I just like to, you know, just drive normally, not drift everywhere even if I try to turn, which sucks, but hey. What can you do? Also, if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and that like button while you're down there. Alright, let's go pick the other vehicle. Now, I know I'm not great with I'm not great with content or commentary, but, I mean, I'm just starting out, so I'm sure I'll get better at it. And I'm gonna be getting a new camera soon. We're gonna be trying to get a new camera soon. And which will be hopefully greater than what I have now, which I'm just posting these videos on my phone. And it's not the greatest, but it's honest work. And this one's my favorite because it looks great, sounds great, and it's fast, alright. We're gonna take a shortcut. Oh, come on! Leave a like if you hate NPCs just as I do. Now, if you're wanting to get a fast car, I recommend this one. Luckily, you can find this one at the casino. I didn't win mine, I just stole it from the casino parking lot. And I paid $4,000 for the insurance. Or lost theft protection. I like to call it insurance because it's basically the same thing. But it's still pretty good, and you can get, I mean, I got in turbo on mine, even though I'm level 40. Well, not 40, not exactly level 40, but I'm level 47, so basically 50. Now, this one, I don't really recommend too much. It's kind of slow, but it gets faster with momentum. But that's the same with all cars, so of course it's gonna. Hey, slidable. Okay, dodged a bullet with that one. Nice. Now I know what I'm thinking. Now I did try to make a different video, but it didn't turn out right because, well, my friend decided to interrupt me and shoot out my car tires. But in his defense, he didn't know that I was making my video about cars. Speaking of my friend, if you all haven't seen my friend's channel, I'm going to try to put his YouTube channel in my description. Also, I really do hate NPCs. NPCs suck. Almost as my driving does. Alright. Also, this rain is very detailed. Smash that like button if you like it when it's raining in GTA. I know I think it's more detailed sometimes. In, like, PlayStation 3, not very detailed, but PlayStation 4, it's pretty good. Of course, it's a different console, but still. It's pretty amazing on PlayStation 3. Yeah, PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4, but it's still pretty good. The cars, well, I don't really know the difference because I took a break on GTA. I used to play story mode a lot. I've never played online before, except like a couple months ago, like 4 maybe months. It was my birthday when I got in this game, or when I got in this game for PlayStation 4. My friend got me this game, and well, I liked it ever since. And, well, he finally got in this game, like, 2 months ago, I think. But if you haven't gotten this game already, I really recommend it. It's good at sometimes. It just depends if you're playing on online or story mode. Story mode's really good, but you gotta watch out for most players. I would say most players you should stay away from. With my luck, they always come find me anyways and kill me. Because, well, I'm pretty bad at this GTA Online. The only thing I'm decent at is, well, the cars, which I'm barely good at. Alright, Rockstar, any day now. Yeah, I'm on Rockstar. There you go. Now I forgot to say the names of these cars. But also, I have no idea the names of these cars because they can't be name brand. For some reason, they can't be name brand on GTA. And my friends want me to play Apex, even though I told them I'm doing a video on GTA. Demon Hunter, if you're watching this, please make sure I'm finished with the video before you send me an invite. This car I don't recommend at all. It's 100 grand, and it drives terribly. The only reason I'm keeping it is because it's the first car I bought online, and it still looks pretty good. Doesn't look the best, but to me it looks pretty good. My friends don't like it. You probably don't like it. But hey, a car's a car. They're all pretty good. I would say the best one that I've shown you all so far would be, well, this one has good brakes. Yeah, this one has good brakes, so if you're just looking for a somewhat fast one with good brakes, this one will be it. If you're looking for a fast one and you don't care about brakes, or the brakes as much as you do the fastness, I'd recommend, I think it's a Mustang. I may be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's a Mustang. Alright, now that we're done with the cars, I'll show you the trucks. Starting with the Cheetos truck. Now, this is the first truck that I've bought because I thought it would be pretty cool. Because my grandpa used to have a truck like this, except his was blue. I like mine red though. They look amazing. Now this sounds great, looks great, and it drives pretty good. But you can see the brakes aren't that good. I use the other brake. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's the emergency brake, if it was in a real car. But right now it's just R1 if you're using a PlayStation. Now come on. You see, guys, NPCs, they kind of suck. But the only reason they're good is just to be. Like, they're not good because they wreck it to you a lot, but they're still there for looks, and they add to the game some. They sometimes add to the game, especially if you don't have a car. Because I know I didn't have a car for the longest time until I bought in this apartment. And yeah, as you can see, the brakes, not good. Even though I was showing you back there, still not good. But, hey. You get what you get. Now this car, I don't really know what to call it. I don't know whether to call it a Jeep, truck, or car. But I got this from the casino, and it's pretty fast. Decent brakes. Doesn't really sound that good. Sounds like more of a motorcycle, but it's pretty good. Especially if you're trying to get away from the cops and you want to climb up in the mountains. decent drift. Now, if I haven't covered, like, if I haven't covered everything, that's because I'm not good with commentary at all. And, I mean, I'm still starting to get used to this YouTube thing. And it's probably going to be, like, 30 minutes or something. I don't know, I haven't kept track of the time on this. All I know is I have been talking for a long time. I don't know why I said a lot. And I'm pretty tired too. Yeah. Alright. Let's go get the monster. Now, this is my favorite truck. I really recommend this truck, especially because it has good suspension, it looks great, and it's just pretty fast. And I wish Demon Hunter would stop sending me invitations, even though he knows I'm making a video. Alright. Let's go. By the way, Demon Hunter, if you're seeing this, please make sure I'm out of the game, and I'm out of the game before you send me an invite. I mean, it's one good thing I like is that that the NPCs don't stop you from driving, but it's kind of annoying whenever you keep getting flipped over though. Also, make sure to leave in the comments what car is your favorite. I really would like to know y'all's opinion. Also, let me know if you want a video with a monster truck. Yeah. I know there's one mission with a monster truck, which is by far the best mission ever. You can argue with that, and I'm sure you have really good art. I'm pretty sure you have like a better opinion and stuff, because I haven't finished all the heists yet, but I mean, I would have to say the one with the monster truck. It's called the, I can't remember the name, but it's still pretty good. Alright, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, remember, if you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. Until next time.